Today we will see the another subpoint under the unit number 2 lipids, that is the 2.3 significance of lipids. The first significance that lipids, these are the structural components. That means some lipids serves as the structural components of the membranes as well as the cell organelles. While you observed the cell organelles in such a membranes, there is a presence of such a lipids, and for example that is the lipoproteins. Sometimes such a lipids, they are also uh, gives a significance as a reserve of food, particularly in algae, that is the chlorella, yeast, fungi, and higher plants and animals. That lipids, they act as an a reserve of food. In a plants, it is stored in a various parts. In a cotyledons, particularly in Arachis hypogaea, endosperm in a castor, fruit in a avocado pear, aileron layer in a cereals and wheat and barley. The another significance of lipids, these are the surface depositors. That means the waxes and the chitins, these are deposited on a epidermal cell wall and protecting the cells, or sometimes the suberin is deposited in a cell wall and strengthen the cell walls, as well as the sporolinins like a chitin present in an exine of spores and pollen grains. The fourth significance of that lipids, some lipids acts as vitamins and they as a source of hormones. That is the vitamin D or the hormones like sex hormones, particularly adrenocorticoid, cholic acid. These are the synthesized from a cholesterol, that is the steroidal lipid. Another significance of the lipids, these are acts as an insulator and as a reserve of food. While you observe some animals, there is a deposition of the fats present below the skin, protects the organs and function as a reserve energy. At the time of need, it acts as an insulator and as a reserve of food. Another significance, that is these are the rich source of energy. That lipids, they release the energy on hydrolysis and acting as a rich source of energy. They release more energy, that is the 9.4 calories than the carbohydrates and proteins. These two ones, they release 4 calories energy. Another significance of lipids, that is the vegetable ghee. By hydrogenation, oils, these are converted into a vanaspati or vegetable ghee or tube. Another significance, that is the soap preparation. In soap industries, by saponification, the washing soap, that means the sodium salt, or in a toilet soap, that is the potassium salts, are prepared. Also the shaving soaps are also prepared by using such lipids. The another significance, it acts as a dietary or food importance. These are the important in a food because they are energy rich. It increases the palatability of diet and acts as a lubricant, as well as they improve the structure of food preparations. Another significance in a medicines, that lipids are also acts as an laxative, particularly the castrol is the medium for the application of the drugs. Also, it is used in industrial industries, particularly in vehicles. It is used as an lubricant. It acts as an antibiotic agent, particularly the squalene, that is the steroid from shark blood, is antibiotic and antifungal. The another significance, that is the blood cholesterol lowering. It is considered that the saturated fatty acids of chocolates and beef boost cholesterol level in a blood, but it found that the stearic acid, that is the saturated fatty acid, the major component of the cocoa butter and lip fat, lowers the blood cholesterol. Other uses of that lipids, these are used as a waxes, as well as they are used as an emulsifying agent, also used as an ingredient in polishes, also used in a cosmetic industries for the preparation of different cosmetics, also used as an molds. Different types of the molds are also prepared by using such a lipids. also used as a lubricant and also used for the preparation of candles. Thank you.